Okay, hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the contraceptive methods. Contraception. What is the meaning of contraception? Means what? Birth control method. Easy to learn. What is birth control method? How to control pregnancy, to stop the pregnancy, to control the birth, to control birth, to control the what? Especially for the cause of pregnancy, fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, that means what? When the after ejaculation of sperm cells into female body, these sperm cells are enter into the fallopian tube. In fallopian tube, fertilization is occurs. Okay, that means these sperm cells enter into the female reproductive tract. It is traveled or it is swimming in female reproductive tract finally reached in fallopian tube or oviduct. At oviduct, the fertilization is occurs. Here, these methods, whatever contraceptive methods, these methods are useful to stop what? Useful to stop movement of sperms in female reproductive tract, the movement of sperms in female reproductive tract, and some methods are useful for to stop ovulation. Some methods are useful for to stop what? Spermatogenesis. Some methods are useful for to kill sperms. Some methods are not entering sperm cells into female tract. Okay, so many methods is that these methods which are the useful for prevention of pregnancy, to stop the pregnancy. Okay, birth control methods, that is we can call contraceptive methods. Okay, to prevent the pregnancy or to stop the pregnancy or control the birth rate, we can call contraceptive methods. Now we are going to discuss about what? Natural methods. Naturally, what are the methods? Naturally and artificial methods is there so many barrier methods, different surgical methods, different methods is there to control birth rate or to control pregnancy, to stop the pregnancy. But we are discussing about natural methods of contraception. That means to prevent pregnancy, to stop pregnancy. Okay, now here, okay, an ideal contraceptive should be following qualities. If you use condoms or Niro, whatever is their contraceptive, copper T or any instruments or tools, that is ideal. An ideal contraceptive should have following qualities. Okay, it is user friendly. Who are using it is cheap and friendly and easily available. Whatever methods we are using, that is also very easily available, cheap rate, easily available, and effective and reversible with no or less side effects. If you use any contraceptive method, it is not affect any reproductive organs or reproductive tract. It's not any side effects. It not give any side effects. That type of contraceptive methods we have to use. Contraception, what instruments, tools are we have to use. Okay, and now we are going to do not affect the sexual life of the users. If you use what? To control birth rate, to avoid pregnancy, to prevent pregnancy, to avoid pregnancy, if you use some contraceptive methods, that is not effect in their sexual life, that is not gives any side effects, that type of contraceptive method we have to use. Okay, here the natural methods of contraception. What are the natural methods? Natural method, one is periodic abstinences. What is the meaning of periodic abstinences? Okay, generally what happen, in which time ovulation is occurs in female? After menstrual cycle and 10th to 17th day. Try to observe what I am telling. The first one, menstrual phase. After menstrual phase, okay, follicular phase. Okay, after menstrual phase, after menstrual cycle, after 10th to after menstrual cycle 10th to 17th day, generally what between 10th to 17th day, generally what will happen, ovulation is occurs. At the time 10 to 17 days after menstruation, don't coitus, don't mate with male or female. That means don't coitus between couple. If you don't want pregnancy after menstrual cycle 10th to 17th day, at the time don't coitus, male and female. Don't mate. The couples don't mate at the period of 10 to 17th day. Okay, and that is the one method. And withdrawal of coitus interrupts. That means generally what will be happen, ejaculation or penis ejaculation, what sperm cells into female reproductive tracts. When at the time of what ejaculation, okay, remove the what penis, whatever is there, what we can call withdrawal of coitus interrupts. Okay, and that is also one of the method of natural methods. And okay, and that method is what especially for ejaculation time, to remove whatever okay, male reproductive organ and penis from male reproductive tract. That is the second method. And third method is what, lactational amenorrhea. Third method. What is the meaning of lactational amenorrhea? Lactational amenorrhea means what, generally after delivery, after first of all pregnancy, after pregnancy delivery, after delivery, at the time what will be happen up to 5.3 months, menstrual cycle will not be occurs. If menstrual cycle will not be occurs, even ovulation is also not occurs. Okay, that period is also useful for to avoid pregnancy, to prevent pregnancy. Which period? After delivery, maybe 5 to 6 months. At the time, that means what, menstrual cycle will not be occurs. At the time, what will be happen? If menstrual cycle will not be occurs, ovulation will not be occurs. So that what will be happen at the time to avoid pregnancy. These are the natural methods of to avoid pregnancy. What are they? To prevent pregnancy, to stop birth rate. Okay, one is what, especially for what are the natural method? Periodic abstinences. Okay, and second one is withdrawal of coitus interrupts, and third one is lactational amenorrhea. Okay, these are the methods, natural methods useful to prevent pregnancy or contraception methods. Okay, thank you.
No, pues,